So we are from Group 3 and we will be talking about Marine Research Center and Forest Conservation Park for our project. So I'll start with the background of our project. Malaysia has discovered a new island near Terengganu and is named as the Marineful Island, and our company is in charge to develop a marine research center and a conservation park on the island. We are in partnership with the government, and since the marine island is located quite far from any developed area, so the government wants to research and conserve the marine and island ecology on the island unaffected by humans. Now I'll be talking about the introduction of our project. I'll start with the problem description. The main purpose our project exists is to research on marine and island ecology unaffected by human activities. So the sustainability and ecology of the island need to be conserved during the construction, and the conservation center should be built near the sea for marine research, and there should be paths on island for vehicles to pass through for the conservation park. Our project vision is to construct a state-of-art marine research building and conservation park that facilitates interdisciplinary collaboration, innovative research, and public education on marine and island ecosystem issues. And our project mission is to advance the scientific understanding and protection of marine and island life and ecosystems. Our project objective is to provide a place to conduct scientific research on island ecology, to provide education and training opportunities for researchers and nature science students, to develop and implement innovative solutions and technology for sustainable use and protection of the environment and its resources, and to protect the native biodiversity of the Marineful Island.
Now in design and building process. This shows the overview of the project. This project is developing a marine research center and forest conservation park on the Marineful Island. The size of the marine research center is 12,000 square meters. It consists of research bedroom for scientists, seawater pool, aquatic garden, library, and auditorium. Next. The size of the forest conservation park is over 20 square meters. It has 50 plus kilometers of trail and over 3 kilometers of roadwalk.
Okay, so now I will talk about the long-term sustainability for our project. The long-term sustainability can be classified into 4 aspects, which is renewable energy integration, sustainable transportation, water conservation, and environmental conservation. Firstly is the renewable energy integration. On our island, renewable energy such as hydropower, solar energy, and wind power are the first consideration. We are avoid using nuclear and bioenergy as our energy source. It's because they are non-renewable energy. Besides, they will also cause the environmental concern. For example, they will release the greenhouse gas which produce energy. So to maintain the long-term sustainability, renewable energy is our first choice. After that, the second aspect is sustainable transportation. As you all know, the traditional vehicle which use fuel to operate is not friendly to the environment because it will produce huge amount of carbon dioxide. So on our island, we are promote the use of electric and hybrid vehicles. We are setting up the charging station to support eco-friendly mobility. Besides that, we also design the road and pathway with pedestrian and bike-friendly features. Hence, we can maintain a healthy mode of transportation and also minimize the use of vehicles. Then, the next one is water conservation. In the commitment to sustainable practice, water conservation is a key to focus. To conserve the freshwater, a water recycling system was implemented on the island to minimize the freshwater usage, especially in the Marine Research Center. Simultaneously, we are also incorporating the rainwater harvesting system. The system will harness and store rainwater effectively. Then the collected rainwater can be used in our daily routine. The last one is environmental conservation. On our island, we will establish a conservation area to protect the biodiversity in the island. Any hunting activities also prohibited on the island. Moreover, we are also using environmental friendly building materials and techniques to develop our center and also the park. And the slide has shown some environmental friendly building materials such as Recobo, Uni, EcoStone, and Cortera.
Alright, now let's move into the financial aspect, encompassing sponsorship and funding and overall financial planning. Regarding sponsorship and funding, each of the internal investor will contribute RM 2 millions, collectively amounting to RM 10 millions, constituting 20% of the total funds. Further, there will be participation from 5 external investors, namely Apple Incorporated, Microsoft Corporation, Nvidia Corporation, Tesla Incorporated, and United Health Group Incorporated. Each of these companies will contribute RM 8 million, resulting in the total external investment of 40 millions. In summary, the combined funds from internal and external investors amount to Rm 50 millions, forming the financial basis for the outline project plan. Next, let's move into the financial planning for the project. The initial segment involves land acquisition and preparation, with an estimated cost of Rm 6.25 millions. Moving on the infrastructure and development, this category is projected to incur expenses of approximately Rm 6.25 million. Subsequently, energy infrastructure is expected to require a budget of Rm 3.5 million. And the next one is the Marine Center and the Conservation Park are anticipated in involve cost of Rm 10 millions and Rm 11 millions, respectively, due to the utilization of advanced technology in their development. The subsequent category is permitting and legal fees, with an overall estimated cost of Rm 2 millions. And the next one will be working and operation costs will cost around Rm 7.25 million in total. Finally, we have the last category, which is the capital funds to be reserved, and the cost will be 3.75 millions.
Now I will talk about the risk assessment of our project. First, our island might face problems from earthquake and tsunami. This disaster could wreck our center. To solve this problem, our geography researchers help predict disaster early so we can warn people, prepare, and keep everyone safe. Next, construction activities pose a risk to native species, causing habitat disruption. To mitigate this, we plan on reforestation and rehabilitation. Construction of preservation and conservation parks will prevent displacement and offer a unique opportunity for researchers to observe native species. Besides, building our center needs a lot of staff, materials and workers and machines. A sudden shortage could affect our progress. To counter this, we aim to form partnerships with trustworthy suppliers in advance. This way, we are sure to have what we need and it won't cost too much. Funding shortfalls also pose a threat to project completion. To overcome the risks, we have developed a financial plan, arrange funds for maintenance, research, and daily consumable. We also plan to attract external funding by publishing research results online and offering public engagement opportunities. Lastly, physical harm during construction is a common risk. Employees must follow to occupational safety, health, and environment standards. Employees should wear personal protective equipment such as safety helmets, goggles, and rubber shoes to protect themselves. Besides, hazard also can be controlled according to the hierarchy of control which is in the slide.
So, as a conclusion, the Marine Research Center and Conservation Park project is a shared dream marked by a careful craft vision and mission filled with patience. It's not just about constructing buildings, it's also about the nurturing a haven for collaboration and innovation where scientists and students can explore the wonder of marine life. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.